Hey guys, in today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to a free yet powerful AI voiceover tool called TTS Open AI. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to create professional-sounding voiceovers without spending a dime. Let's dive into what makes TTS Open AI such a game-changer. Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Free and unlimited voice creation. One of the best things about TTS Open AI is that you can sign up for free and enjoy unlimited voice creation. That's right, unlimited. You don't have to worry about running out of credits or hitting any limits. This makes it an ideal choice for content creators, marketers, educators, and anyone else who needs high-quality voiceovers on a regular basis. Voice options. TTS Open AI allows you to upload up to 3,000 characters at a time and choose from a variety of voices. Currently, there are 4 male voices and 2 female voices created specifically by OpenAI. These voices are amazing and provide a natural, professional sound that can enhance any project. In addition to these voices, TTS OpenAI also offers a range of other voices in the System Voices section. This gives you even more options to find the perfect voice for your needs. Correct pronunciation of technical terms. One of the standout features of TTS Open AI is its ability to correctly pronounce technical terms. For example, every one of the voices can say the word AI correctly. They also know how to say ChatGPT without having to go chatg.p.t or a.i. This is a huge time saver because it means you don't have to spend time fixing the words so that they are pronounced correctly. Handling difficult words. In the past, certain words have been challenging for some AI voiceovers to say correctly. For example, the word affiliate was often mispronounced as affiliate, which was distracting for listeners and made it hard for people to get back to the content. With TTS Open AI, each voice can say these words in context and instinctively knows how they are meant to be said. This is a significant improvement over other AI voiceover tools that struggled to get this right. Accuracy and consistency. TTS Open AI gets it perfectly right almost all of the time. Whether it's pronouncing technical terms or handling difficult words, you can rely on TTS Open AI for accuracy and consistency. This is especially important for professional projects where you need your voiceover to sound polished and reliable. Access and availability. You can find TTS Open AI at ttsopenai.com. It's easy to sign up and start using the tool right away. While the only real accent they have at the moment is American, other accents will be coming soon once the AI engine has been updated. This means that in the future, you'll have even more options to choose from. They do offer a variety of different languages now, though. Paid options. In addition to the free unlimited voice creation, TTS Open AI also offers a paid aspect. For just $6, you get 200,000 credits, which equals 200,000 characters. This is used specifically for the voice cloning tool and faster upload time for the system voices. Unfortunately, the voice cloning tool is still being worked on and still only offers American accents. Maybe hold off paying for the voice cloning till they get this updated to suit different accents. From what I can see, this is not a monthly fee, but a flat fee, and you need to pay it again once you run out of credits. This character count, not minute count, makes it easy to understand and manage your usage. Practical uses for TTS Open AI. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk about some practical uses for TTS Open AI. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, e-learning courses, or marketing materials, TTS Open AI can provide the voiceover you need. For YouTube creators, having a high-quality voiceover can make a big difference in the professionalism of your videos. It can help engage your audience and keep them watching until the end. For educators, TTS Open AI can be used to create engaging e-learning content. You can use it to narrate lessons, provide instructions, or even create audio versions of written materials. For marketers, TTS Open AI can be used to create compelling marketing videos, product demos, and more. A professional voiceover can help convey your message more effectively and leave a lasting impression on your audience. User experience. The user experience with TTS Open AI is smooth and straightforward. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to upload your text and select the voice you want. Once you've made your selections, the AI generates the voiceover quickly, so you can download it and use it in your project right away. Future updates. As I mentioned earlier, TTS Open AI is constantly being updated and improved. While the only accent currently available is American, the developers are working on adding more accents in the near future. This will provide even more versatility and options for users. Additionally, as the AI engine is updated, we can expect even better performance and more features to be added. Customer support. If you ever run into any issues or have questions about using TTS Open AI, their customer support is there to help. They are responsive and knowledgeable, ensuring that you have a positive experience with the tool. In summary, TTS Open AI is a powerful and versatile AI voiceover tool that offers unlimited free voice creation. With its accurate pronunciation, variety of voices, and user-friendly interface, it's a great choice for anyone in need of high-quality voiceovers. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or marketer, TTS Open AI can help you create professional and engaging audio content. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.